What will happen if we shrink the Earth to the size of Pluto? Pluto is 156 times smaller than our planet. It is located at the edge of the solar system, orbiting beyond Neptune's orbit. It was once classified as the ninth planet in the solar system, but due to its small mass and size, the astronomical community reclassified it as a dwarf planet in 2006. Due to Pluto's distance from Earth, it has long been difficult for humans to determine its exact size. With the improvement of observation technology, scientists have discovered that Pluto is only 2/3 the diameter of the Moon. Despite its dominance in its own orbit, it is unable to clean up the surrounding icy objects while being affected by Neptune's gravity. Therefore, it is not surprising that it was removed from the definition of planets. The reduced surface area of the Earth will be slightly larger than that of Russia, and the ocean still covers about 71% of the area. Fortunately, despite the size of the planet, it will still accommodate about 8 billion people, if each person is given about the equivalent of a tennis court. However, considering infrastructure such as hospitals, airports, and roads, the planet will become extremely crowded. In addition, areas such as deserts, polar regions, and mountains are not habitable, further compressing available space and making it difficult for the planet to comfortably accommodate all humans. On such a small Earth, gravity will also change. Since the gravitational force will be only 7% of the original force, we will be able to jump to a height of 7.6 meters with a single jump, stay in the air for about 10 seconds, and then slowly land. This jumping ability will allow us to enjoy the stunning view of the horizon with ease. When gravity is reduced, friction is also reduced, making it easier for humans to run, even gliding long distances on smooth surfaces. However, due to the lack of gravity, it becomes difficult to stay still and requires more strength to stabilize the body. At the same time, the air pressure on the Earth will be greatly reduced, and even if you are in a plane, you will feel a sense of hypoxia similar to being in a 5,000-meter high mountain. If you are in good physical condition, you may only feel mild vertigo, but for weaker people, prolonged exposure to a low-pressure environment can lead to serious health problems and even life-threatening. From a practical point of view, it is almost impossible to shrink the Earth to the size of Pluto. Even if such a small Earth exists somewhere in the Milky Way, low gravity would make it difficult to maintain a habitable environment. A 2019 study by Harvard University states that planets need at least 2.7% of Earth's mass to hold the oceans firmly. If the Earth had been the size of Pluto since its formation 4.5 billion years ago, it would not have the ocean it has today, and would be tidally locked to the Moon, causing the two to revolve around a common center of mass. If the Earth were the size of Pluto, the Earth's core would cool rapidly, geological activity would largely cease, plate movements would cease to exist, earthquakes and tsunamis would disappear completely, and volcanoes would become dead mountains. While this may sound like a reduction in natural disasters, the Earth will also lose its magnetic field as a result. The Sun and the high-energy particles in the universe bombard the Earth's surface directly, stripping away the atmosphere and liquid water, making the Earth as desolate as Mars. What would happen if the Earth wasn't as small as it was to start, but suddenly shrunk to the size of Pluto while maintaining its original mass? Even just lifting your arms can be extremely difficult. But in fact, humanity may not experience this at all, because in the process of the instantaneous shrinkage of the Earth, it is highly likely that it will completely disintegrate due to internal upheaval.